Всем привет! This video is for everyone who wants to generate hundreds of floors, regions or just outlines in a matter of seconds by just using rooms for their shapes. I'll also show you how to change line styles of your existing regions with just a few clicks. Let's begin.
Start it up!
This tool is part of EFTools extension. You can install it absolutely for free, and the link will be in the description of this video. Let's start with these tools. If you go to EFTools tab, in the room panels you can find three tools: rooms to floors, outline and regions. Let's start with floors. To create your floors you have to select a few rooms. And don't worry if you have extra elements selected, it will filter out unnecessary elements. And then click on rooms to floors. Then select your floor type, I'll just keep the first one selected, and click on create floors. And here we go, here are all the floors that it created from selected rooms. Now let's delete them and try second method of selecting. If you have nothing selected in a view and you click on this tool, it will give you the dialog box where it says there are no rooms selected. And would you like to select all rooms visible in the active view? Click on yes and select your floor type, click on create floors. And then it will generate floors for every single room visible in this view. Now let's delete them. Now let's create some regions. Same as before, go to EFTools tab and click on rooms to regions. Since we have no rooms selected, it asks us if we want to select all the rooms. Click yes. Then select filled region type you want to apply. I'll go with the red one and create filled regions. And it has generated filled regions from rooms same as before. Now let me isolate it. Whenever you create regions with this tool, it will write room names into comments parameter. So here it says rooms, here it says new room and so on. Also have another tool for you if you work with filled regions. If you go to EFTools tab, under elements panel, there is regions, change line style. Usually to do it manually, we would select the region, go to editing mode and change line style. With this tool we can just select all of the regions you want, come here, select your line style, let's select to hidden and change region line style. Now let's do the same for these. Let's apply invisible line. This one. Make it something very thick. And here we go. This is how you create regions and modify their line styles. And the final tool of this trio is rooms to outline. Same as before, you can either select your rooms manually or just click on the button and it will select automatically. Click rooms to outline. Select line style you want to use. I'll go with hidden, create outlines. Again, it made it. Let me isolate my lines so you can see it better. Here we go. Thank you for watching this far. Like and subscribe to my channel. This will help me immensely to reach more people. And as always, have a good one. Goodbye.